I'm doing a pizza thin crust one topping comparison challenge. So you guys probably may not tell, but I actually got 6 pizzas and they're all from different companies. So yeah, you guys probably might have hopes about one of them, maybe more. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Now I'm going to start with Papa John's. Right, Papa John's, very good. Good crunch on the edge of the crust, has a good bite. Pepperoni was fine. Tomato sauce, a little bit sweet. Cheese, pretty good. Now the next one, I'm going to be doing Marco's Pizza. Now some of you may not know what Marco's is, but it's a chain, obviously, and they make some pretty good pizzas. So this is their thin and crispy pizza. Now, I never had this from Marco, so first time. Okay, Marco's definitely has better taste on their thin crust so far. Their crust is very crunchy. Pepperoni is fine. The cheese is pretty good. Sauce is very good too. And definitely worth the recommendation for you guys. But so is Papa John's, but that depends on your mood. Now, the next one I'm going to take is Little Caesars. They got a lot of pepperoni on this one. I didn't even ask for the extra pepperoni. Okay, so based off all the pizzas I've had so far in this video, Little Caesars seems to have better tasting pepperoni so far. But then again, I'm only halfway there. Don't play that Bon Jovi song. We're halfway there. But Little Caesars has good on their cheese. The crust is kind of like a cracker a little bit. And their sauce is pretty good too. So yeah. Now this one is from the Hut itself, Pizza Hut. A lot of pepperoni here too. So far, Pizza Hut's pretty good on their taste. And the pepperoni's good, the cheese is good, sauce is good too. Kind of like the base and all that. The crust, however, while thin, is a little crunchy. I mean, it doesn't exactly have the taste like other crusts. I could say the same for Little Caesars as well, but they're still good pizzas. I think that's one reason why I think people stick with the pan pizza from Pizza Hut. Now the next one is from Dominos. Now already, I don't know if you can tell on here, but they have spices on their pepperoni, so let's see what it's like. Definitely a lot more taste and a little more spice on Domino's. And also very good on their pepperoni, cheese, and all that. Crust was good too. A little bit of a crunch to it, but in fact they all did. But so far, there really isn't a lot of taste. But I'm just gonna do a little check again. Kind of like a cracker. Now, the last one I'm gonna take some time with this one is Mod Pizza. Mod Pizza is a cheap pizza chain as well. If you guys haven't heard of it, they kind of make their pizzas almost like a wood fire taste. So let's go see what it's like. Alright, so the thin crust on Mods is pretty good. It kind of gives you that wood fire taste a little bit, so it kind of gives you kind of a familiar taste of like pizza being cooked over a wood fire. Not like an oven, or a wood oven basically. So I'm going to make my list of like what I think is from the 6th to the 1st. That doesn't mean they're bad, I just think this is better. Now, number 6, when it comes to for pizza so far by thin crust, is Papa John's. Because Papa John's, while very, very good, it's a bit more sweet though in some areas, and some people may or may not like it. So it has a bit more sugar. But their ingredients are very natural as well. Number 5 is basically Marco's. Very crunchy, has good taste, just not as good with the pepperoni. Little Caesars, number 4, because they basically have more tasting pepperoni, but their crust is like a bit of a cracker. Number 3, Mod Pizza. Very good taste, has wood fire taste, but just doesn't have the taste of the cheese. Number 2, this is a bit of a tough one, Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut is number 2, because it has a lot more taste to it, but nothing could take number 1, Domino's. Because Domino's has more spices to their pizza that the other pizzas don't have. So, hope you guys enjoyed. This is ajmarkle signing off. God bless. You rock. Don't forget it.